Hi, boys and girls. So, as I'm looking at your reviews, I am noticing this problem was a little bit challenging. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to solve this problem using what we've learned in this chapter. All right, so we start out with 300 minus 165. Whenever we subtract, boys and girls, we have our bigger number goes first. Okay, because why is that? I can't subtract 165. I can't have 165 items and subtract 300 from them. That wouldn't make sense. So if I have 300 items, can I subtract 165? Yes. So that bigger number always goes first. Let's remember to do that first. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to build my 300. Okay, I'm going to build that first biggest number. So if you look over here, I have 1, 2, 300s. Okay. The way they show us in this chapter is you first look at the hundreds, okay? So I'm not even looking at my tens and my ones. So 3, and so 300 subtract 100. Can I do that? Yes, I sure can. What do? Cross 100 out. Okay, then I'm left with 200. Okay, now I go to my tens. I have 0 tens, bigger number first. 0 tens, and I have to subtract 6. Can I do that? If I have no tens, how can I subtract 6? I can't. I have to regroup. So that's where this regrouping comes in. The only thing I have are hundreds, right? So I have to take one of these hundreds, cross it out, and I have to replace it with 10 tens. Okay, because there's 10 tens in 100. So now I'm taking away a 100 and I'm breaking it, taking my 100 and I'm putting it into 10 tens so that I can subtract my 6 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great, I have 10 tens now. And how many hundreds do I have left? I just have 1. These are gone. Okay, now that I have 10 tens, so now my 0, technically, right, it's a 10. So I have 10 tens. So if I want, and I subtract 6. So what do? Here's my 10 tens. I take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many tens are left? 4. All right, so I'm done my tens. Now I got to go to my ones. My ones, please. I have a 0 and a 5. So remember, my bigger number goes first. I have 0 ones, and I have to subtract 5 of them. Can I do that? No, I have no ones, right? So I can't subtract 5 ones from nothing. What do I have to do? Should use different colors. That would be helpful, huh? What do I have to do? All I have is 100 and I have these tens. What do I do to get ones? Well, I can take one of these tens, these 10 rods, and turn one 10 rod into 10 ones. So I took one away. Now I need 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 ones. Now, can I subtract my 5 ones from my 10? Because now, technically, right, this becomes a 10. You have 10 ones now instead of 0. 10 ones, subtract 5. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I can do that because I broke apart my 10 rod and made it into 10 ones. That's called regrouping. Now, let's see. Now I count my hundreds, count my tens, count my ones, and I write that in a number. So let's see. How many hundreds do I have? 1. How many tens do I have? 1, 2, 3. So I'll write 3 because 130. And then how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So boys and girls, my answer is 135. This is one of the ways that we can solve these type of problems. Okay. Watch it, rewatch this, and maybe try another one. So I know when you have 2 zeros, it's kind of hard. Remember, the largest number always goes first. So I want you guys to open up your Braining Camp. Remember, the username's Rhodes516, password 1234, and use this to help you with your subtraction. So I'll give you another problem. Let's try 400 minus 238. Why don't you try that on your own in using the strategy that I used here? All right. All right. I hope this helped you with your review a little bit and with some of your problems, and it'll help you, with your test. All right. Talk soon. Bye.